Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the theme in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Signal app on your phone, then click on your profile on the top left hand corner and then click on Appearance. After you click on Appearance, you can see the theme option. So it is currently changed to System Default. So if you are in dark mode, as you can see, I am currently in dark mode. The system default is set to dark mode, so the theme is dark. But if you want to set it to light, you can do that as well. Just go ahead and tap on light, and as you can see, I have changed it to theme the light. So I'm going to show this process to you once again. Open Signal app. Right now the theme is light, but if I want to turn it back to dark, I'll go to my profile, click on Appearance and click on Theme. Now you can see dark, light and system default. You can select these and you can change the theme. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.